How to do it, back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Falou first language learning application. So first of all, you need to install, then simply tap on the open button. So here music, how come, so you can give here skip, continue. Let's go. So what language would you like to learn? So I just say maybe Japanese, okay, and continue. And they give you something, their culture. I am total beginner, travel abroad 10 minutes. So you can select, I just select randomly. So this is the beginning stage. You have to give the information they want, and now you have to create your accounts with Google and Apple. I'm going to create with Google. It's simple. So preparing your account and progress. So it is second to get the main interface. So you can see start course, they give you the tutorial. So you can see here video, speaking, video, writing, all the course is available here. And introduce yourself, and this is the word you can learn about Japanese, because I already selected the Japanese language, and you can see here progress. For example, words, so I'm going to tab basic food. You can see here pan, it's been bread, got it. So sarada, pan. So I can get explained it. So they give you the quiz also. So actually this is the one things, and also this is a course. You can learn course is essentials, travel essentials, my family. So this is log. So you have to go gradually. Start your course here. If you complete it, then they will give you the next. It's like a game, so you can try.